Hi, I'm Mike Fisser of PowerQualityInfo.com, and today we're talking about Clearline surge protection. Now, Clearline is a brand, and it's an established South African brand. They've been in the market a long time, and they make quality products, and they have certified equipment on their lists. Now, the important thing to bear in mind when you're looking at any type of surge protection is, does it comply with the codes of practice? Has it been manufactured according to a standard? This ultimately is what's going to help you when the lightning strikes and you've got this massive amount of energy coming in on the line. Now, application of surge protection is a critical factor. If you're going to do it right, you're going to be okay. If you do it wrong, there could be a whole bunch of nasty things going on. And one of the things I want to point out there is when we install surge protection on a lightning protected structure, we would install class 1 surge protection in that incoming DB. So incoming power, that's where we arrest the external lightning threat. Now, if we've got ourselves a little Clearline plug-in device right next to that main DB device that's designed to handle tens of thousands of amps, and here we've got our little plug type device that's designed to handle maybe 5,000 amps, 2,000 amps, whatever it is, depending on the componentry inside, what we found is that during the inrush current of that surge, if that little plug device is very close to the incoming device, the amount of shunt that happens on each device isn't based on the amount of current carrying capacity there and the amount of current carrying capacity there. If these devices are very close, and when we talk about very close, we say within 5 to 10 meters of each other, what we find is the current splits equally, because that starts to shunt, and the current just takes the shunt path. And of course, the consequence of that is your plug type device gets blown to hell. Now, while your plug type device is getting blown to hell, the chance of flashover on the legs between live and neutral, live and earth, neutral and earth is high. And that, of course, is then going to damage your end equipment. So guys, application of those surge protections, you have to integrate it correctly, you have to size it correctly, and you have to make sure it's correctly installed. And don't forget, your surge protection is only as good as the earthing system to which it is connected. So if you've got a high impedance earth downstream that your surge protection equipment is trying to shunt to, it's like trying to drain a pool with a thin pipe compared to draining a pool with a fat pipe. If you've got a good earthing system, you can take that massive amount of energy, shunt it quickly, your surge protection works, it doesn't fail. Whereas you've got this thin pipe, you're trying to drain all that energy, you get massive pressure buildup, equipment fails. So guys, surge protection, it's a great policy, but it's got to be integrated. I hope this helps. I'm Mike Fisser of PowerQualityInfo.com. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.